What is manifestation? In simple words, manifestation is a dream. What you dream is what you are. What you think is what you do. I am very grateful that I have dreams and we have the ability to manifest them. We don't understand that when you actually start thinking about an idea or a concept, the universe co-creates it with you. The universe is helping you behind the scene. The potential of the universe, or God, is so great. Whatever we believe and we have faith in comes out to be real. For manifestation, dream is a seed. You dream about, a thought, a dream about an idea. And then to make a reality, we go into a physical world. I'm going to explain it in two forms. In emotional form, manifestation is when you dream about an idea, when you think about an idea, when you have a vision, let's say in creating a business or a YouTube channel or, passing your exam. Then in the physical world, you have to work for it every single day, because without the physical part, small packed actions, your dreams cannot turn into reality. That's how in manifestation works. While you're creating all that emotional and physical reality, you also let the universe co-create it for you. It's a journey and we have the power to live that journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments on the manifestation topic. If you haven't bought my book, it's available on Apple, Amazon, all the book channels. Please buy my book. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time.